What would you do if a police officer asked for your ID without any clear reason? In this video, we're bringing you some incredible moments where people calmly but firmly refuse to comply. Some situations will make you think, others might surprise you, but they all highlight the importance of knowing your rights. Stay with us as each scenario reveals something unexpected. We'll explore an interesting situation where a driver is pulled over by the police multiple times without a clear reason, leaving him feeling that his rights are being violated. The driver requests a legal justification for the stop and asks for a supervisor, all while expressing his dissatisfaction with the officer's conduct. If you ever feel that your rights are being violated, you can also request the presence of a supervisor. This helps protect your rights and ensures that everything is handled appropriately.
Pulled over to check the fuel, how it's going, and he turned his lights on. So let's figure out what's going on.
Hello.
Hey.
I keep seeing you pull over.
That's none of your business. Is that illegal?
I keep seeing you around buildings, yeah.
It's illegal to be around buildings?
I keep seeing you drive around closed buildings.
Is it illegal to be around buildings?
Are you loitering? What are you doing about them? I want to know what you're doing.
Did you just see what I was doing?
Here.
I don't answer questions, man. So if you don't have a reason to pull me over, sir, man, am I on my way? Am I being detained?
Yeah.
For what?
Questions.
For what law?
Why are you driving around those buildings like
For
that?
what law am I being detained? I need your supervisor. Guys, call 911 if he gets erratic. I need your supervisor down here now.
That's fine. Fine, like you.
Fort Smith's finest. Just think they can make up their own laws. They can't. We're the people. Kill my car. This guy ain't gonna waste my gas. Here he is. No reason to pull me over. And here he is. Wait, what's your name and badge number?
Cassidy 4428.
Cassidy 4. Are you a rookie, Cassidy?
Nope.
Okay. Cassidy 4428. You're gonna get a lot of trouble for yourself, buddy.
That's fine.
That's fine. You're hindering my day. Supervisor. This is outrageous, man. These guys think they think that they make the laws. They think they can do anything they want. They cannot do this. I'm doing nothing illegal. And he knows it. It's my constitutional right to not have this happen to me, and I'm gonna pursue charges against this man and against the Fort Smith Police Department. Third time this week. Idiots. What was the law? What do you pull me over again for, sir? For suspicion? Is that correct?
You keep driving around closed businesses.
Is that illegal?
They're all closed.
Is that illegal? Is that illegal? He has no answer because it is not illegal. It's a violation of my constitutional rights, right here. You're witnessing it, guys. Go live on YouTube, or give me your phone too. We're gonna make sure, just get video ready. Now he's walking away from me. I'm sick of this. I am sick of this. Fort Smith PD, they just making their own crap up. Now here we are, stuck here, while he's shining his light in my... Sir, can I help you look for something? What are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it because I'm worried why you got us pulled over. I'm afraid. I'm in fear.
Of course you are.
I'm in fear of my life and my children in the car. This rogue cop here trying to make his own rules up. No reason. This is unjustified. You're pulling me over for no reason. It's a violation of my constitutional rights.
You want to supervise? He's on the way. Be quiet.
You can't tell me to be quiet. You be quiet. Go sit in your car. You can't bark commands at me. I'm not a dog. I'm a gosh damn human. This dude's an idiot. 5 police. I've done nothing. I stand up for my rights, and here they come. I got the whole freaking patrol squad down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 police vehicles. How bored are they to have this much time?
How's it going?
Not very well.
Why is that?
Are you the supervisor?
Yes, sir. My name is Lieutenant Young.
All right, Lieutenant what?
Young?
Young? Okay. Please not with a flashlight. My child's in here.
I'm going to have a flashlight on so I can see inside the vehicle.
All right, you don't need to see inside my vehicle. I've done nothing wrong. Look.
100% of the time I do.
So, okay, who's your boss, man?
The chief of police?
Who, Danny Baker?
Yeah.
All right, I want to talk with Danny Baker. Is he available?
No.
Okay, why am I being harassed? How come I get pulled over twice a week for nothing?
I don't have an answer for that.
Is
because I've
he
never
said?
pulled you over.
What's he say? He pulled me over for suspicion.
Well, I mean, we have a duty to.
No. What is the?
If
What?
you want me to explain to you, I explain to you. But
You-
if you want to interrupt me, I can't explain.
Beat around the
to you.
bush, but explain to me. I get
I'm
it.
not going to beat around the
Go
bush.
ahead. What is it?
If we observe people around a bunch of different closed businesses in a short amount of time, we're going to stop and talk to them.
Okay.
I mean, and right now there's a lot of closed businesses.
You pulled me over. Now, what statute in Arkansas says that you have the right to pull someone over if you see them around businesses?
The loitering statute, for one.
How am I loitering? I pulled in, I pulled out. I checked my fuel and I move.
That was just here, though.
I pulled in, stopped it. The other one and revved it up, and it was doing good, and I kept going.
All right, what about over at Applebee's, over at AT&T?
Look in the back seat. I got Applebee's in the car. I went and picked up my food, man.
What about over there behind Hastings?
None of your business, bro. It doesn't matter. I picked up my food. I checked my fuel pump, and I come home.
If you own one of these closed businesses, wouldn't you want us to check in
No,
for you?
I think what you're doing is violating my constitutional rights, man.
Okay.
I've done nothing wrong. Here I am surrounded by 5 cops with guns. They're look at them,
There's
whispering,
nobody-
talking with each other. My kid's in the car.
There's nobody in here with guns.
I don't trust any of you,
Okay.
and I want to go home
Okay.
now.
Can you identify yourself?
I'm not gonna identify. I've done nothing wrong.
Okay.
I'll tell you, my name's Luke, and that's all I got.
Okay.
I'd like to be on my way.
Where's home?
Does not
Is
matter.
it in Fort Smith?
Sir, I'd like to be on my way home so I can eat my food with my children on my birthday.
Okay.
How long are you gonna hold me up now?
I mean, I'm just verifying what you told me. That's all I'm doing.
I'm not telling you anything else. I don't answer questions without a lawyer present.
Okay.
Now, if you want to get my lawyer, Coy Rush, get him down here because I'm not answering anything else. I want to go home.
I would have no way to contact
Yeah.
him, so I can't do that.
I want to go home. I've done nothing wrong. You guys done bullying me and harassing and interrogating me?
The only person that's upset here is you, sir.
Because of you guys doing this to me. I've done nothing wrong. I'm sick of it. Twice a week this happens.
The officer labels him a sovereign citizen, but according to the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, Mr. Ashlock is simply exercising his legal rights. This amendment protects individuals from unreasonable searches and unwarranted threats by the police. While the term sovereign citizen can be misleading, Mr. Ashlock is merely standing up for his rights and understanding the law, which ultimately allowed him to leave and avoid unnecessary police intervention. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment. What happens when a group of police officers confronts a videographer outside a military facility? Watch as this videographer stands up for their rights and navigates the situation when detained and pressured for information. I've included detailed links in the video description so you can learn the full story. If you enjoyed this video, leave the comments to show your support.
We're gonna sit here and stare at each other. Can you talk to me? Can you tell me what you're doing? Anything? We had somebody calling about you being out here. Nothing? Can you tell me your name? Do you work for the military? Do you work in the military? Can you tell me anything? Nothing? Aren't you hot?
Well, I don't even think you can. You're allowed
I don't
to film
think
in
you're
these
not.
facilities.
No, I don't think you are either.
Hi, bud.
All you gotta do
Please
is let
don't
us-
pull your hands anywhere, man.
Can
Keep
you
your
do
hands
it?
up for
Look.
me, please.
Can you do us a favor? I know, I mean, you're well within your right to stand out here and videotape, okay? Go ahead, go ahead. Look, you're making us nervous. We don't want to do anything to harm you. Look, you're making us nervous. We don't want to do anything to harm you. All you need to let us know is what's going on and that you're okay, and we will leave you be.
Please keep your hands where we can see them, man. Don't make a big deal about this.
on you, sir?
It's gonna bulges everywhere though. That's the problem.
We're not gonna, listen, we don't want to do anything to cause you any type of upset or anything like that. We just need to ask you basic questions. Okay?
Oh, they're grabbing me. They're grabbing me. Am I being detained or what?
I'll hold this for you.
Okay, I'm being detained.
Stop, man.
I'm illegally being detained.
I'm gonna hold this for you. We're gonna set it right here on the ground, okay?
What do you got in your pockets? You got anything in your pockets?
We're gonna set that down on the ground for you.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
I don't consent to any searches or seizures of my property.
Do you have any weapons?
I do
or
not
anything
consent
like that,
for
sir?
you to undress me, sir.
Okay, well your face is covered up here right now, okay?
Is that against the law,
70
sir?
degrees, you're covering your face.
Is that against the law?
What's going
Well,
on,
it's a
man?
business when you're standing outside of a
I'm done
of a
answering
secure
questions.
zone. You're standing outside of a secure zone facility, a military facility. You got your face covered up. You're videotaping the facility.
What are you
So-
trying to prove out here, man?
I'm a citizen journalist. I'm
Okay.
gathering content for a story, and I was attacked by 3 cops
You were attacked.
from the Warren Police Department.
Oh.
We got,
Kanaya 133.
You were attacked.
who do we got here? Reed.
Officer Reed 140.
Who's this holding my left arm, bending my wrist?
Rose.
Officer Rose,
Yeah.
025. Is that correct?
Okay,
Thank you,
no
Officer
weapons or
Rose.
anything.
Where do you live? That's all I wanted to do. It's popping out right here.
We
and
just
it's
want to
popping out
make
of the
sure you
sides.
don't
You're
have any
making
weapons.
motions.
And
Okay, guys.
you know
Look
you
at my
were-
arms here. These guys, these
Listen.
cops,
Oh, don't even.
these
start with
cops
that.
assaulted me. This is an assault.
It's
This was an
actually not.
attack.
Okay.
It's not. Would you like medical assistance, sir? Would you like medical assistance? I can call the fire department for you if you'd like. Do you want medical assistance?
You guys are dismissed. You may leave now.
No, we're not.
No. We got called out here for.
Do you have a license to be out here right now
521 dispatch.
doing this journalism? Do you have a license to be out here right now? No, you don't, do you?
I'm all set. Did you get a hold of anyone?
We do.
Okay, so you
Listen.
see none of these cops have body cameras on, so they attacked me. I have it all recorded.
So do we.
They did not
We have
record it.
microphones.
You have your ID and we'll be out of here.
In the city of Warren, there's an ordinance that if someone calls out here to investigate a crime, you must identify yourself. Just want you to know that, okay?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
We got called out here.
Do you suspect me of committing
matter.
a
It doesn't.
crime? Yes or no?
Hold on.
Yes, I do.
Listen.
Yes, we do.
Listen.
What crime is that, sir?
I'm not sure. But it's awfully
Somebody
suspicious to
called
me.
you. Somebody called us, okay? You made somebody nervous enough to call. You can get your head. Go ahead. Listen, you made somebody nervous enough to call us, correct? Okay? That arm right there is technically, you can grab that arm, okay? You can't hurt me with a camera. I'm just saying. They called us out here, okay? We're investigating a crime. If a crime had been committed, you'd be in handcuffs, you'd be in the back seat of a car. However, you're making gestures towards your hip.
What crime do you suspect me of committing, Officer Kanaya?
I don't suspect you of committing anything right now. However, you are detained right now because we were investigating a crime, because somebody called us out here. And due to that fact, okay, well, I'm going to speak with these gentlemen right here, okay? Due to that fact, you have to identify yourself.
Okay, guys, you see what kind of
Stay there.
company we get from
Stay
photography.
here.
I am detained.
Yes, you are. Reasonable suspicion that a crime is afoot right now.
Okay.
Okay. What's your YouTube channel?
This is necessary, honestly, though. This is speaking man to man right now, not officer to whatever your name is. Is it necessary to do all this? Just asking you. You can leave it on, you can turn it off and talk to me, I don't care. We weren't trying to make a big deal, we're just seeing what's going on. You're more than well within your right to stand out here, videotape whatever you want. However, I'm not sure about the rules on videotaping federal facilities, but I know at some facilities you cannot take pictures or videotape their facilities from anywhere. I know that is a crime. Do I know that?
You see this cop doesn't know what he's talking about.
Well, when it comes to federal laws, are you guys okay with this guy standing out here?
They said they've had them all out here before.
Are you guys okay with him standing out here? Because if he's okay, I'm getting out of here. He's being a major asshole, that's his right. That's fine. I don't care. He's okay to be here? All right. You have a nice day, sir. Fucking douchebag.
Look at this cop, he's cussing at me. I wanna charge this cop with disorderly conduct for cussing in public.
Move on.
Sir, you can't stand on the sidewalk. Loitering. If you're gonna walk around, it's fine.
Okay, so this cop, I wanna charge this cop with disorderly conduct for cussing.
It's not against the laws of freedom of speech. It's your constitutional right.
Okay, so this cop, these cops are protecting their own, man. Look at this, guys. Look at all the attention photography gets, guys.
Watch behind you.
Look at this.
Right, exactly. That might have been passing by. Yeah. Well, you said you were doing a documentary or something like that, so why don't you get back to that? We'll be all set.
Okay, we got more coming in, code 4 for a photographer. I want a someone's card. Can you give me your card, sir?
We're not issued cards.
Can I get a department card?
We don't issue cards.
You don't issue cards?
I gave you my name, you have it on video. Everybody gave you the
So I can file a complaint. Who's your chief?
Our chief, we have Commissioner Green. We have 2 sergeants over there if you wish to speak with the supervisor.
I do.
Okay. Hey, you know our names. What's your name, sir? Mr. Tough Guy.
I want this cop charged with swearing, disorderly conduct.
I'm not talking to you.
I hear it. It's disorderly conduct.
What law is this?
Disorderly conduct law.
Time for you to move
Disturbing the peace.
Get back to what you were doing.
He's disturbing my peace by with his swearing. Officer Lamond 193.
Tough guy.
Look at this tyrant. Look at this guy. He's a tough guy now. Look at that walk of shame. The walk of shame, guys.
Sir, can you hold on for a second?
Sir. Hold on a second. Whoa.
I can't.
Where are you going?
I'm walking on the sidewalk.
Walk up on us.
I want to go down. I'm going that way.
Hold on a
Well,
second.
get off the sidewalk so I can move. You're obstructing my right to move
on a
freely. Okay, so now I am being detained. You're detaining me.
I'm preventing you from walking.
You tell me I'm detained. I can't move. I want to walk down that
you
way.
from walking up behind my other officers. who are
Okay,
over
then I'll
here.
walk around them. these guys, man. How many guys does it take? These guys. Don't attack any more photographers today.
What's up?
What? You got any help?
Yeah.
How can I help? What's up?
CCRB complaint form?
Oh,
For me?
for you? Okay. Give me 1 second, all right?
Just stay right here, sir. Just stay right here, please.
Why? Am I detained?
No, you're not detained. Just
Okay.
wait right here.
I'm okay, thank you. You guys have this here, you don't want people to see it?
Can you stop calling me, please? Please.
Can you stop giving me unlawful directives?
Please.
Please?
Please stop.
Excuse me, I'm gonna go to the window.
Huh?
I'm going to the window.
Brother, you can't, you need to back
You can't
up,
touch
right?
me.
I can't touch you. You need to back up.
Why are you touching me?
Because you can't be there. Please don't make this a thing.
Don't touch
Back
me.
up.
Don't
Do not
touch me.
back up.
You have no lawful reason to touch
Get
me.
back.
Stop
Get back.
touching me.
Get out.
Stop
I don't
touching
care.
me.
You can record all you want. Get out.
Stop touching me.
Do not put your hands up.
Don't touch
Don't
me.
put your hands
Don't touch
up.
me.
Back up.
Stop touching me. Yo, what's up with your boy, bro? What's up with your boy? I didn't get in nobody's face. I said, it's anywhere I moved. I said, excuse me, I'm going here. You understand what I said? Excuse me, I'm going here. It's a public area. I'm not committing a crime, bro.
I understand, but you understand.
So why is he touching me?
You understand what I said? You
No, I
can do
didn't.
CCRB. You can call
I need
it
his
in.
card. Everybody that has the body cam on it, I need your card, please. Can I get your cards, please?
Right.
You're going hands on for no reason, bro. You see, what's your name?
Sergeant Cuevas.
You see me before. How many times I come here and I look through the windows? What's wrong with him, bro?
It's all good. Listen.
What doesn't exist no more?
No recording and stuff.
We have the right to record, right? How come they don't know that?
Thank you for de-escalating, Sergeant.
I'm
Put my hands on, like, just real quick.
You can't 98 them if I didn't get no cards.
You didn't get the card? Yo,
I didn't get nobody. I want all their cards.
I'll get your cards.
You can understand why I'm a little up here.
Body camera is on.
You need to remind her of de-escalation. They're giving me
They're gonna get
lawful
retrained.
orders.
Don't worry about it.
Please.
They're gonna be retrained. Don't worry.
The only way you can give me a lawful order is if I'm being detained, ma'am. I'm not committing a crime. This is a public area. No, he didn't go hands on. He didn't go hands on. Your boy went hands on. All right.
I got you.
I've come here multiple times. I'm peaceful. But you put your hands on me, you gotta listen. You gotta teach him that if he puts his hands on use of force, we can defend ourselves. Thank you.
Is that his?
I gave you mine.
No, I appreciate that. Thank you.
The only way that I have to listen to what you're telling me is if I'm being detained or if I'm committing a crime. What you're doing is you're asking politely, and I'm saying politely I refuse. I'm just looking. I come here I've been doing this 3 years. I came here multiple times. All I do is look through the window, and that's it. You know what I mean? It's a public area, mama. You know what I mean? But the reason why the reason why y'all respond like that is because they drill police safety in your head. Not everybody's out to get you. How many people you know is going to commit a crime with 2 cameras, 3 cameras, and all these cops around? You guys got guns.
But you never know.
Yeah, but you got to build a rapport. How you doing? And I said, I'm going to look through the window. I'm going to look at that. That's it. Which one is the one that put his hands on me?
I'm not sure. You're gonna tell me which one?
He's the dark skin one, short.
These 3? Oh, that ain't
No.
What was his name, bro? He was right there. He knows his name.
Bro, CCRB doesn't do nothing, bro. You can give us his name. You're not going to get in trouble.
We got it on camera as well. It's not like we're not going to find out. All right.
You think you're going to get fired?
Your coworker was wild.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
They're going to go 98.
No worries. No worries.
We're the members of the public that we're supposed to defend.
God bless you, man. You look like you got a decent heart.
Be safe, man.
All right? If there's anything that goes against your morals, Leave it.
Wow, that might left quick. I did not expect that.
And that always happens to me. I think it's because I'm handsome. Cops always go hands-on with me. If it's not hands-on, it's an EDP. It's one of those two. They try to EDP me or they try to go hands-on.
Yo, my man was shaking. Did you see him? He was shaking like a leaf. Like,
He doesn't. He thinks that because I'm pushing his hand off of me that I'm assaulting him.
No, he's touching
I'm
you.
defending myself.
If we did that to them, we'd be on the floor. And if you did that to a stranger, it'd be harassment, right?
If the cop is touching you for no lawful reason, let's say a cop comes up to me and just starts punching me for no reason, I can fight back. We're reasonable. I can't kill him, but if he smacks me, I can smack him. If he pushes me, I can push him.
It's the same concept like the levels of escalation that you guys have, equal force.
Yeah, it's equal force. I can't stab him because he pushed me. You know what I mean? If he pushed me, I can push him. That's it.
That goes to them too. They have their levels of escalation, right?
Yeah.
So they can't use more force than what they're using.
You don't know how.
There it is right there. That's the one you said.
You.
825.
I'm so sorry. How do you say that?
Uyola. It's Spanish. So if you're not gonna get the
825.
825.
He has 3 numbers. That means he's been here for a while, right?
No, that doesn't. The numbers don't mean anything.
Oh, I thought the ones with 5 numbers. Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
Some people have 2, 3, 5, 4.
I thought it was like social security numbers.
No,
like, you know what I mean?
It doesn't go in order. It's random.
Yeah, all right. I appreciate you. And what was your name, Sarge?
Sergeant Cuevas.
Quick question. I've been to 2 precincts yesterday and today. I went to the 90th. Signs was down. I was able to record. Right. We've been following this case thoroughly. Right.
No problem.
So we won the injunction, and you guys immediately appealed it. I'm under the impression.
You guys, not me.
The city of New York.
The
I'm
activists.
aware of it. Until something comes down formally, whether it can or cannot.
And that's what
I'm only going to follow as is. That's it.
Right,
so right now,
what is the latest one that you've
right
received?
now that I'm sure aware of is that you can. And right now,
Right.
we're not doing nothing.
But this is a secure facility, so
Inside,
unless we're invited in,
so right now,
we can't go in.
It's not
Yeah.
open unless you have some business to conduct.
This
you're not
because
gonna
it's
walk
secured.
in.
This is a
We
secure
will just
facility,
make
right?
sure that, you have it. You come in to make a report. Sure.
Okay.
We will do it. We
So
just
if I
can't
wanted to
have
file a
people-
complaint on him, would that be considered business?
Yes. You want to do that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
You have
I
because
think you should file a complaint.
because it's secured. You have to be invited in. Once we're in, we can record, but we can't just barge our way in.
No, of course not.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
That's why it's like this.
All right. So if you want to take my complaint, I'll file a complaint. Thank you. All righty.
Thank you.
2107.
Would you like to file it online or over the phone?
If you got the CCRB complaint forms, that'll be
All right, so
perfect.
just have a seat.
I want to take a look at these pictures, okay?
Can you have a seat? I'm just going to do this quick. Let's try.
I don't want to
conduct
interfere
your
with you,
business. I know.
but I want to take a
do this
look
for
too.
you, all right? Just have a seat for me, and I will get it for you, okay?
I
So
got bad legs on.
So the thing with we can't interfere as long as we're not interfering with their business.
Wait.
But if I'm in a public area, I shouldn't be interfering. Yeah, yeah. So this,
blocking the doorway or, you know.
yeah, as long as you're not impeding them. But
Let me see if I
that's the thing too. That's another thing too, that they can try to turn. You see how I want to walk over here? He can try to say that I'm impeding him because I'm trying to walk over here. So it's, but you also gotta prove that I'm impeding. You know what I mean? So
There's a lot of games, but that's what the judge is for, right?
yeah, and that's what the recording is for as well. That's why we're recording too. That's like saying, yo, he was so ugly that he impeded me. You know what I mean?
He distracted me.
Yeah. I wonder who these people are, though.
Former chiefs, captains.
So he said that his latest,
No.
what are those things
His
called?
latest record.
Was that we could record, but
I wonder if they put out,
what are those things called? The police thing?
those are called, I forget. I know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about, right? The memos, basically, that they send down.
Messages.
Yeah.
Something message. It's a weird word.
I've never been in here. I've always recorded in here, though. That's CCRB right there,
The
too.
phone number to CCRB.
Yeah. Sergeant, do you know the date of the last memo that you received? Do you know the date on that?
Off top, no.
Okay. Is there a website that we can go to follow?
You guys? Yeah, like the public? That I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure we, I got a couple of pull it up somewhere on the internet.
But I don't understand. Even if it wasn't stay, we still have the right to record act, which is a law. So I think that's
what the conflict is. It's
Yeah, that's
two
what-
different lines of reasoning, right? And
Yeah.
thinking.
But that's the reason why we won in the first place, was the right to record act.
That's yeah, exactly.
So I'm just happy that we did.
Yo, you're like a magnet.
I know, you ain't know
I
that?
can't believe it.
Yeah,
I mean, what are you? 5'10"?
5'11"?
5'11"? It's odd. Like, right to you.
Always.
Yeah.
Always, bro.
Well, yeah.
Always. They always go hands-on with me for some reason.
What's going on? And I'm like, what's going on?
Everybody says that too, like.
What's happening? I don't know what's happening. Only thing I see happening is this guy's bugging. Right? Yo, he was hostile, man. Angry.
He didn't like that.
He didn't like it.
He didn't like that I was
But he
pushing
was-
his hand down.
But he was the only one. Like, everybody else was, like, wondering and a little confused or whatever, but he was the
Yeah,
one that...
yeah.
It was odd.
Yeah. I just wanted to take it with me.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna fill it out of the night. I'm scared of retaliation, that's why.
That's what I was asking. If you
Yeah,
wanted
no, I
to,
just wanted the
you
paper.
take
No,
it
no,
out.
no. I know you're busy, you got a lot to do.
Not
I
a
just
problem.
want to take the paper.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, brother.
Happy holidays, all right?
Thanks,
God
I
bless
try.
you, all right?
In situations like this, when someone is taking photos in a public building and is suddenly confronted by a police officer, it's important to remember that if you're in a public space, you have the right to take photos or videos under the First Amendment. As long as you're not causing a disturbance or breaking any specific rules, you're fully within your rights. Police are responsible for maintaining order and safety, but they must also respect the law. Just because they don't want to be filmed doesn't give them the right to stop you without a valid reason. If you enjoyed this video, leave the comments. It's unacceptable for officers to become aggressive simply because citizens are filming. Officers are trained to handle situations calmly, which shows the need for better training and accountability. Police must understand citizens' rights and know how to manage conflicts without resorting to aggression. Clear regulations and real consequences for misconduct are essential for maintaining public trust in law enforcement. Human interaction is a right, not a privilege, and police must respect that. Using force simply because someone doesn't obey an unreasonable order is a mistake. We should aim for a society where everyone knows their rights and police use their authority appropriately. When you're out and about, hold your camera with confidence, knowing that the law is on your side. This is about more than just taking photos. It's about understanding and protecting our rights. When police respect those rights, everyone benefits. A transparent and accountable police force builds trust and cooperation within the community,